Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to the scenic stretch of the Trans-Canada Highway just east of White River, Ontario. In this video, we're flying over Burnfield Lake, Cotton Lake, and Bogle Lake, three peaceful spots tucked away in the vast wilderness of northern Ontario. This region has always been a land of lakes and forests, once traveled by Indigenous peoples and later by fur traders in the 17 and 1800s. These lakes are important resting places for wildlife, canoe routes, and now for anyone looking to enjoy the quiet beauty of the north. East of White River, the highway winds through rock cuts and endless trees, making it one of the most breathtaking drives in Ontario. The rugged landscape hasn't changed much since the days when the Canadian Pacific Railway first crossed this part of the country. For travelers, this stretch of highway is a reminder of how wild and untouched much of Canada still is. Thank you for joining us on this tour of these quiet lakes along the Trans-Canada Highway.